Nothing CEO Carl Page just told us when the Nothing Phone 3 will be launched, and the wait is almost over. We've been waiting a while for the Nothing Phone 3. You may remember its launch was pushed back last year because Nothing wanted more time to work on its software and AI, but we now know it will definitely be arriving this year. After opening up an Ask Me Anything session on X, Nothing CEO Carl Page said that the Nothing Phone 3 will be launching in Q3, the third quarter this year. That puts the launch window as July, August, or September. We didn't get any more details than that, unfortunately, so it remains to be seen exactly when the next flagship phone from Nothing will make an appearance. The Nothing Phone 2 was launched in July of 2023, which may give us a clue. Back in November of last year, we heard a tip that Nothing would launch 3 phones by the middle of this year, which means around June and July time. And the Nothing Phone 3A and the Nothing Phone 3A Pro were both unveiled in March 2025. If Nothing had stuck to a regular schedule, we would have seen the Nothing Phone 3 in July 2024. However, in June 2024, Pei announced that the handset's launch would be pushed back to this year, stressing the need to get the product right. Pei went on to say that integrating hardware and AI in a way that is both useful and brings a smile to people's faces was the aim with the next Nothing flagship phone. So we can expect to see a bundle of artificial intelligence features included. As our Nothing Phone 3A Pro review will tell you, there's already plenty of AI on board the current Nothing handsets, but these features, including the essential space second memory, could still use some work. Improvements may arrive with the Nothing Phone 3. Whether it's a better AI experience, smoother performance, or that signature minimalist design, Nothing fans have plenty to look forward to. And with Carl Pei promising to make the product something truly unique, expectations are sky high. Make sure you're subscribed and notifications are on, because we'll be bringing you every update, leak, and reveal right here, only on TechVerse, your go-to source for future-forward tech.